Not good, isn't it? 450, number 49, shortly depart Eastleigh for Southampton Airport. Southampton Central. This train is from Winchester to Southampton Central. This will call it Southampton Airport Parkway and Southampton Central only. There you go. Sometimes, well, no, wait a minute. It certainly makes things good, doesn't it? Yeah, number 49. I also did join game plan more than that, of course, you know. I mean, if we did that way, we could do some fun things together.
The next train to depart from platform 1 is the 12:14 Southwestern Railway service to Winchester, calling it Shortland and Winchester. This train is formed of 4 carriages.
Gosh. Well, it wasn't a hell of a lot to catch. Oh, God.